Good evening, folks. My name is EZRA ONDARA, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. I am pleased to announce that finally this home is complete and ready for you to come and view and of course purchase. Okay, thank you. So I am in the lush green Kiamunyi, always a very good location. Imagine from town to this exact place, okay, this exact home, you enjoy tarmac road all through. That's benefit number one. From here, surrounding area in Kiamunyi, you have access to a whole lot of amenities, okay, and public services, okay, hospitals, schools, you know, supermarkets, shopping centers, malls, name them. I mean, every service is just within your reach. Okay, that's number two. Number three, let's go inside and view this 3-bedroom bungalow, hidden roof, okay, which is on the market for sale. Come. Now, that home sits on a 50 by 100 plot, and this is like a true 50 by 100. Why I'm saying that? So that entire home covers a space of 100, sits on a space of 160 square meters. And from where it is, okay, from where it is right there, Freddy, ebu mulika kidogo, from where it is, okay, two of them, you see, if I lift that one up, another one will slot in here, okay, up to here, up to those trees, that line. So we have like another 3/4 of that home which can squeeze into this space. So just imagine the amount of acreage, outdoor space that you have in front of this home. You can even build another, you know, another home here, maybe an SQ if you want to, because actually it doesn't come with a DSQ. So you can even build another one here. Now, apart from building, let's say you're not building, so you have this entire garden here. The guys have already planted some trees here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have planted trees here. Last time I was here, this grass had not grown, but now you can see we have a green space, which is wonderful. So there's a lot you can do out here. You can even add a gazebo, you know, just for you to have a cozy place for you to relax outside your home. Okay, something is holding my leg there. I'm through with that. Now, look at this entire space you have on the other side for parking. You know, here you can do how many cars? 4, 5 cars comfortably. You know, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, imagine 5 cars will squeeze into this cabro paved parking. Okay, 5 of them. I mean, if you love space, I'm telling you, especially outdoor space, consider taking this home. I'm telling you most solemnly. Higher. Now, once you're standing here, look at the facade of this beautiful home, okay? And even the color that they went for, that brown and that other, is it brown, is like light brown? You know, there's a darker brown, the brown, and then the other one. I'm not very good with colors, help me, but you know, they just blend in very well. And of course, the windows have been painted white, those massive windows, okay, they have been painted white, so we have a nice contrast there. Wonderful. So just out here, there is this space that was left here. They've planted, you know, some flowers there, looking nice, you know, at least, you know, to kill the what? The brown, you know, the paint and etc, just to kill that. So they have done some flowers hapo mbele, even on this side. Now, stepping up to the home, those are 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Now, the advantage of this is that this space is not going to be cold at all, okay? Because the ground is really raised, okay, where you are. You know, where you're stepping on, okay? It is a raised, you know, it's kind of a platform. Now, before we go in, we have this double volume door. Moving your items in won't be a problem at all. Inside the lounge, you are greeted with this beautiful TV stand, okay? TV wall unit. Last time I left them installing this thing and it looks beautiful. That central, you know, lining there, it's like a mirror, you know, I even see myself inside that, you know, lining there. Okay, so they went for a theme of black and white for the cabinetry here, which is nice. Now, folks, one thing I've noticed unique here is the tiles. You know, these guys went for the stone look tiles. I've not seen these in many homes, but it looks nice and it is throughout. They have done it throughout the entire home. Now, on this wall, they went further to do a nice wainscoting. All right, so you guys, you can mount those big pictures that you have in between, you know, those spaces there, okay? And the entire home is painted off white. And there's a lot of light, by the way, okay? Wherever I'm standing here, thanks to that huge window where my cameraman is, it is just half a feet off the floor and then it goes all the way almost, you know, to the roof, okay? Really nice. And of course, it is an open layout, okay? So I'm now inside the dining area, okay? So the wainscoting still here continues. They did more on this side. We have a nice wash basin here and a mirror there. More storage underneath that wash basin. This space, you can do an 8-seater comfortably. And of course, another huge window on this side. Light just cuts through this way all the way to the lounge, and vice versa, depending on where the sun is. But ideally, even right now, the weather is overcast and there is a lot of light in the rooms. Now, let me mention that they did some nice gypsum with recessed lighting in the lounge, in the dining area, in the kitchen, you know. I'll know whether they did that in the bedrooms as well. So now, it's an open kitchen, again, but it is hidden from the lounge. When you're on the lounge, you have no business knowing what's cooking in the kitchen. But from the dining area, you know what's happening here. All right, so first things first, these guys, I mean, when it comes to space, actually, by the way, I give them a tick, okay? So this is a big, spacious kitchen. Now, you have a lot of worktop space, plenty of cabinetry, so storage, you're sorted in the form of shelves, and of course those ones up there. You have a double sink here, okay, good for, you know, washing the dishes these days, unless of course you have a dishwasher. You're much welcome. I don't know if they have done provision for that. Yeah, what do you say up to that point? Let me know in the comments even as we proceed. Let me mention that they installed some beautiful modern switches. Okay, this is good. And when it comes to power sockets, there is one there. I assume your fridge will stand here and your cooker will stand on that end. And even if it's an 8-burner gas cooker, I don't know if they have 8 burners, it will fit into that space. Out of the kitchen, the first thing I like is the spacing from the house to this wall here. Okay, this is like 2.5 meters. So despite this wall being here, there is not the rooms on this side, they're not going to be dark at all. Now, so out here they've done these stands for you to do your clotheslines. All right, and somewhere here we have the septic tank. Okay, it is right here. And then on the opposite kule, we have an underground water storage. It is right here on the opposite. Now from here, I've noticed again, there is the electric fence done all around the perimeter wall here. I see a solar light up there. I mean, they've tried to put, the features that anybody needs to feel they're secure in their home. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. I'm inside the master bedroom. Okay, so today we have started like that. Many a times we finish with the master bedroom, but well and good. Now folks, inside the master bedroom, once you come through that door, you are greeted with this massive window again. I mean, this is something that these guys did very well. Lighting here, there is not going to be darkness at all. Okay, this is very good. I love it. Now, the space itself is humongous. Okay, acres of space. Acres, I'm telling you. So you have, power sockets on either side. And then look at the amount of cabinetry, wardrobes rather, that you have here for storage. If this is not enough, they went further to provide another one on that corner. Okay, so this is like a mobile. This is a mobile wardrobe. Okay, so should you feel you don't want it here, you can move it wherever you wish, inside the master bedroom. All right, so on this end is where we have the washroom. So first things first, of course, the way we want it these days, the toilet comes first, before you go to shower, which is wonderful. So there's the toilet seat, and behind this door, okay, just here, there is the wash basin and some storage underneath it, and some other essentials that have been done there as well. So I have this shower cubicle here. Okay, so I'm inside the shower. Cool shower head. Okay, looking good. Yes. Okay, let me inform you that the master bedroom is on one side of the lounge and the other bedrooms are on the far end on this side, which is good arrangement. Now, so once I pass through this open entry, straight ahead, we find the common toilet. Yeah, the common toilet, and it is toilet only. However, the way they designed this house is that next to this common toilet, we have a shower cubicle here. Now, only 2 bedrooms in this home are ensuite. So this other bedroom, which I'm going to next, is non-ensuite. So that where the resident of that can use this shower cubicle, and they can also access this toilet. So there is an entrance here. I can go to the shower cubicle, and still there's a door on that end. I can go to that bedroom, but officially the door to this bedroom is this one. Okay. This is the door to this bedroom. In terms of the size of bed that can fit in here, at 6 by 6 will do comfortably, and it will leave you room to open the wardrobes and access your items in here. So in terms of organization of the wardrobes, so this side they did those partitions, and on this end you can hang your shirts and dresses etc. You have more shelves down here for keeping documents. Okay, so this is the door I was telling you about. So the resident of here, they can use this door to come and take a shower, and still they can still, you know, slide these and come and access the toilet here. I mean, I don't know. I've not seen this design before, so I don't even know whether I go this side. Let me just go back like this. Then we go to the last bedroom. I've not seen that design. All right. So, I mean, this bedroom, this one is ensuite. This bedroom is ensuite. The same size as the former. Even the wardrobes there, the arrangement is the same. The only difference is that this one is front facing. Okay, so from here I can see the garden out there all the way to the gate. Whoever is coming in, if I'm here, I can see, you know, who's coming in. And this is the ensuite. What I like here is that it is spacious, nicely done. The tile work is good, all right, and good quality shower head up there. Some cleaning needs to be done here fully so that this place is now sparkling clean for somebody to come and assume ownership. So let's go outside, then we conclude. Very well, now I'm out here in the garden. Let's finalize matters out here. So the home is on the market for 8.5 million Kenya shillings. It is in Kiamunyi, just 4 kilometers from Nakuru CBD. Can you imagine? All right, so our number is 0791055678. Call us for viewing and further advancements. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Of course, the parcel has a title deed, so upon purchasing the home, you'll be, you know, it will be transferred to you. So if you have more questions, drop them in the comments, or even further, reach out to us through our number and we will respond. Sindo hivyo. So see you in the next one. Remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, EZRA ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. Haya.